Hi, it's Mary Jane here from Home for the Harvest, and today I'm talking about sweet woodruff. Sweet woodruff is a really lovely ground cover plant. I've just planted a bunch of little divisions off my big plants out here, and hopefully they're going to create a lovely ground cover under these pine trees. So here's what it looks like up close. The leaves are quite sweet, and so are the flowers. So right now it's the beginning of June, so yeah, end of May, beginning of June is when you get these sweet little flowers. The leaves, you should have them in April, and they last all the way until frost. This is not a plant that's native to North America. I think it's native to Europe, but it seems to naturalize quite well in areas where it has space to do so and you want it to do so. I would not buy a single sweet woodruff plant intending to just have a single specimen plant. This is a plant that creeps through runners. Not as invasive as mint, but it is a creeping ground cover. Planted in an area where it has space. Planted in an area where you're totally okay with it taking over the ground. So what I've done is I've planted a bunch of little sweet woodruff runners off of my main plants, all under these pine trees here, and around the daylilies. I think the daylilies will be strong enough to compete with the sweet woodruff. So this is a full shade corner of our yard, and it's a perfect place for a sweet woodruff ground cover. Really do like living mulches, and this is such a low maintenance one. The leaves are so tiny that it's not a big mess to clean up in the fall or the spring, and it comes back beautifully even after a really cold winter. I think it's hardy to zone for, and it's really dependable, and I love that about it. Once it's established, it does like moist soil. So to get it established, definitely for the first year or two, make sure you're giving it enough water. These plants are growing in a moist soil that is also well drained. It's a sandy loam, so they do like that. That being said, I have grown it in a heavy clay, and it's taken over just a little bit more slowly, but it was happy too, just under some cedar trees. So this area was completely covered with sweet woodruff 2 months ago, and I dug it all up and I transplanted it over to under the pine trees, and it's already come back. I mean, it's coming back patchy, but it comes back even from just tiny little bits of runners, so it is kind of like mint in that way, but like I said, not so aggressive as mint. Just the right amount of enthusiasm. So here are the plants that were transplanted from that patch that I just showed you. They were just starting to come out of the ground when I transplanted them, and they've all transplanted so well. I did find that the runners kind of on the outside of the pre-existing plant, they really took fast. So I think if you're dividing off of a plant, it's probably, if you can, choose some runners from the outside and just divide off some clumps from the outside, because those are the clumps that seem to be doing the best. Thank you so much for checking out this video about sweet woodruff. I have lots of other gardening videos about perennials that are really nice, easy care, low maintenance landscaping plants, so be sure to press the subscribe button and YouTube will suggest more of these videos for you to watch. Thanks so much and have a lovely day. Bye.